TOMS Animal Initiative is partnering with nonprofit organizations devoted to conserving and protecting animals. I am Heather Mycoskie, and I am the Chief Animal Lover at TOMS. I've always been passionate about animals, and last fall Blake and I had the opportunity to visit some of the most incredible animals in the world, the silverback gorillas of the Virunga mountain range. It's so amazing how powerful the gorillas are, and yet due to poaching, conflict, and habitat loss, sadly, there are less than 900 left in the world. And that's why I created the TOMS Animal Initiative, to help raise funds and awareness for animal conservation around the world. And we are so excited that our first partnership is with the Virunga National Park. Every pair of these Animal Initiative shoes you purchase, TOMS will give a portion of the proceeds to directly support these incredible gorillas of the Virunga National Park.